Yes, it's raining. Anyway, today we need to go to the church, talk to the priest for the christening of Isabella. And in the meantime, we'll try to do a couple of things in the house. Yeah, obviously with this rain, nobody working across. That's no good, but unfortunately that's the way it is, rainy season. I thought to wash my car today, but I don't think I need to. Well, it's only water anyway. Bella doesn't care, she's watching her cartoon. My love, you love your cartoons? And you're eating breakfast with mommy? Yeah? Okay, this is my roof rack I ordered from Lazada. I don't want to put any more timber and metal things inside the car and damage. So I'll go up on the roof, as long as it's not too heavy. A lot of box in there. It's pretty straightforward, but it's probably more than that. Okay. Wow, 20,000 pieces here. Okay, it's a bolt. Okay, let's see what's on the other box. Oh my god, this looks like a puzzle. Wow. This is another thing that you could mount on top of the initial roof rack. That thing here. Do I really need this? Well, I should, because I bought it. Okay, let's keep opening all this, and then after that we'll see. If the rain stops, we can install. If not, another day. Until I get to the car, I'm not sure this is right, because they put all this on a 50-cent stamp size. Amazing. So I can't really identify how the piece on top here, which way is oriented, but I think it should be right. Where my little finger is, that's good on the gutter of the car roof. Yep, should be right. Yeah, today I was expecting to wash the car, the wheels, mount the wheels cover, the roof rack. Don't know. Still raining. Yeah, where's this? Probably have to glue or something, otherwise it's gonna come off easily. We'll see. And I got all those shims, the acrylic shims. It's probably to protect the gutter. So we'll see when we install that. Anyway, this is all there. Hello, my love. ready to go. We need to go to the church today to see the father who's gonna do the christening of Isabella. Okay, we finished with the crispy four, and guess where we are now? Yep. Jollibee. Yeah, usual thing. Happy?
Late lunch.
Happy baby? Yeah, always. She loves here. I don't fancy. But I'm easy. Yeah, no stock of that seal I want to buy. Anyway, I just pick up a few adapter here for the tank. So I have to go somewhere else to buy that seal. They got, but it's a big tin. I don't want to spend that much money. Okay, baby, let's go. We go home. Did I watch your favorite cartoons? I'm a love. I love it too. Oh, she's tired, my baby. Mommy. Oh yeah, she's yawning. Back to bed. Too early. You love daddy or you love mommy? Which one you love?
Love mommy.
You love daddy? Yeah, she loves daddy too.
Love mommy. Huh?
And you love mommy? Show you love mommy.
Huh?
Come on, show you love mommy.
Love mommy.
Yeah, she's yeah. Oh, everybody getting ready to go to bed.
Daddy.
Okay, good night.
You annoyed Daddy?
Finish the bottle.
Bye-bye.
Good
She
night.
said
Bye bye.
bye-bye.
She said bye bye.
So cute. Bye bye.
Okay, I received the whippersnipper with battery operated. Anyway, we'll have a look at that tomorrow. It's getting light now. I'm not gonna open it now. Tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today. Good night. See you in the morning. Yay, just say good morning. Another day, another dollar. Although we spent it yesterday, not today. The weather so-so. It rained last night. Yesterday we had a beautiful sunny day. But unfortunately I didn't do any work on the house because we had to go to the church. Now we had to go do some shopping. So when I come back it was too late. Yeah, I bought a whippersnipper, battery powered, and we're gonna open this up. 68-volt batteries hope to last long. So let's plug this. So it's not a whippersnipper as such, it's a bush cutter. Maybe better. That we go through many things. Okay, let's assemble that. I will test it. Okay, so this is the old different type of cutter. This one for tree branches, I guess, or small shrubs, grass, and this is probably the one I'm gonna use. To cut all this. Show you. Yeah. This is for the grass. Telescopic, so you can use the different lengths. It's got a handle. That's pretty good. And I'm charging the battery now. See what happened. It's amazing how I found all the instructions from China are useless. Those pictures can't see much. Okay, I worked that out. So we can hold here and then tighten the. Okay, done. Ready to try. Whew. Pretty dangerous. Sorry, this is wrong. Okay, this is done properly now. Let's try. Maybe it means nothing, but my drill battery just as heavy as this one. This one says 68 volt and this one 14.4, and I see no light indicator. Interesting. Anyway, it's working. Okay, let's charge that battery fully. I don't know. Okay, it's our whippersnipper for small jobs around the house. We'll try that around. Okay, this morning I intend to work on the tank. So I bought a few things. I got another adapter. So this is the pipes gonna where the this is the part where the pump's gonna suck all the water. So I need another outlet. I got my drill ready to cut the space, and I found fiberglass mesh tape, which I could put some before putting the epoxy. Sprinkle, but you end up getting wet if you stay too long under the rain. I just tied up my cable. I'll see if it's gonna affect the Wi-Fi, because that was on the floor and everywhere, so it's sort of tied up now. Let's check this tank. I think that works pretty well. See, it doesn't come off like the other one I had. Yeah, it's pretty good. Whoa. It's very, very hot now. Okay, I'm getting wet here now. So this is good. Yeah, I'm very happy. Now it's very, very tight. I knew I had to leave it for a few days. It's almost like concrete, so it's pretty good. I'm surprised. Yesterday was still, I could peel it off a little bit. Now I can't. I break my fingernail if I try to do that. It's amazing. So we're going to continue pursue with this marine epoxy. But what I'm going to do, maybe I'm going to put some fiberglass tape, which I bought, and put a little bit more on the area up there, and add a little bit more of that epoxy, marine epoxy. Yeah, we're gonna do that. The only problem is it's bloody weather, so I can spend half a day empty under the house and make some room and put the tank there. That's another option. See how we go. Yuck. Okay, just responding to one of the viewers that first of all, I honestly don't think that I don't like comments. I appreciate comments very much, whether they're good to me or not good to me, that's beside the point. If they are constructive criticism, I'm very happy to see them and read them. Please do so. I'm not gonna get upset. I never get upset. Just if you laugh about me and you're mocking and in saying things, then you're off. Then you may start annoying me. But you know, a viewer said that this tank is made for, it's been built to be underground, and that the fact that it's outside the sun and the weight of the water inside, that tank will only last a few weeks. I can see where it's coming from, and but the way this thing is built, I mean, look at this. Look, this is the sort of the skeleton of the tank, if you like, the frame of the tank, and it's got two webs in the middle there. You can see there against the wall, and they're all bolted and hold pretty firmly. So this tank is not as you see it. It's much stronger than this, so it's not going to be deformed heavily with water as such. And besides, I'm gonna tie up that thing. I'm gonna do something to hold the sides and to hold the pressure of the water, whatever. Although I don't think I need it, but I still see if I can do something about it and bolt to the concrete base. And also, this tank here has been outside, sitting outside there, just there, next to the bin, somewhere here, for 6 months already. Right, and the fact that it cracked is because there was a rock underneath, and it started filling up with water, and this is how it cracks, because it wasn't sitting flat like it is now. So The other advantage as well here is that I'm in the only get morning sun, but I can still put a bit of a tarpaul or something, a fabric or something on top of it just to minimize the sun. So I think that tank will last for a long time until I get some money, and I can then buy a stainless steel. But this one's going to be here until it lasts. So I'm not going to dismantle it because it's just made of plastic. I will take it off and really start falling apart. And those things have been sitting outside City Hardware for quite a while before I bought them, and they're in the sun, the rain and what have you. No, they're not getting affected, and they're not going to self-destroy after 2-3 weeks or a few weeks. No, that's the answer. Anyway, thank you, gentlemen, for making some comment, and maybe a lot of you had this bit of a question mark on that, and I wanted to clarify all that. Let's go back home. It's pissing. Okay, in the meantime, Jam is playing with balloons. Oh, she even bought a
This for her.
very good. So what you reckon, baby? You like that? Huh? You like it? Look at those eyelash, my God.
You want to touch them?
They're about almost 10 mil long. Yeah, baby. Okay, I just moved the tank a little bit under the house. There is no rain reaching me, so I can do some drilling, I can do some work. Okay, I need to tighten this better. Yeah, it has to be tightened a little bit more than that. But it's done, I don't have to seal the other one. At least, what happened last time they gave me the wrong seal, bloody hell. This one's good. That's okay. Also again, this is the outlet of the pump, for the pump. Okay, this half of the tank is under the house. No more excuses, the rain or whatever. So I'm gonna work on this thing here. And I need to buy a tool to tighten this. I haven't got anything strange. I thought I had something, but maybe I got some clamps I could use. I'll see. Otherwise I'll buy something. It's no problem. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy for what I've seen on the inside. I don't want to touch it anymore. Maybe after when I do the external side, you can see the crack easily now. Here up to here. And I will do this side here, and that's it. I will run it like this, If it leaks, then we'll empty the water and do a bit more, but I was impressed by this marine epoxy. With the Part A and Part B. The Part A and Part B, they've done extremely well. I really want a rough surface so the epoxy will stick nicely. Now we go past the scratch. Some people say you don't have to polish, but some people say you don't have to polish, but I'm gonna do that. Coefficient of friction is very important everywhere in engineering. Yeah, a little bit of the solvent to remove any grease, anything like that. That's what I use. That's all I had in the shed. It'll do the job, it will clean up. Yeah, that will clean up. Yeah, I have to admit I was impressed for the internal job, so I should do the same for the outside. So it took 2-3 days to really dry. Yeah, let me explain. I got two of those. There's one here, one still up there, and they fit into those grooves. But also they hold the tank here and there, so it makes the tank stronger. It's like the spine of the tank, if you like. So I want the water to not to be stopped like this. This opening is for the septic tank system. It's not good enough for me. What I need to do, because this is the side, I need to drill a hole maybe here somewhere. So yeah, I need to drill a hole maybe here somewhere on both of them, so water communicate from one container to another. Okay, this one's done. Just use this. I'll do the same on the other one. Yeah, it's raining and the wind's so strong and people still there working. My God. Ooh, there's leaves flying everywhere. I don't open the window because everything's gonna fly here inside the house. Wow. So thanks for watching this video. Until the next video, take care everybody. God bless. Bye bye.